Hi, my name is Michael Nearon. I'm an immigration lawyer and founder of VisaPlace.com. We got a question today about what are my options for getting a work visa to the U.S. Well, there are a number of options that are available depending upon your situation. A popular option would be an H-1B visa. An H-1B visa is for people who have what is called specialty occupations, usually require a college or university degree, and have a job offer in the United States that is consistent with your education. The thing with H-1Bs is that every year there's an annual cap of H-1Bs, and you can apply in April 1st of a given year, and there's a mad rush for applications. So if you qualify for an H-1B or you want to apply for an H-1B, you better do it right on the mark on April 1st, because if you wait too long, there's a possibility that there won't be any H-1s available. Another popular option for Canadians is the TN visa. Again, it's usually for individuals who have a college or university degree, but not necessarily. There are some occupations which don't require that. The trick for a TN visa is that you have to have an occupation on a list of occupations at the appendix of the NAFTA agreement, and it's a pretty short list. So you have to have that kind of list, have that kind of occupation. Also, you need a job offer. A TN visa is very advantageous because you can get it very quickly. There are no caps. You can apply for the visa right at the border, which the Canada-U.S. border, which is a great and quick way of getting a visa. Other options would be what we call the L visa, or the L1, and that is really for people who are being transferred from a foreign company to an American company in most cases. So you work for the foreign company for at least 1 year, and typically you should be either an executive, a manager, or a person of specialized knowledge, where you would be then transferred to the U.S. company. So that's an option too. So those are what I would consider the main options. There's also the investor visa as well, the e-visas, where you could invest in a business or start a business in the U.S. and get a visa that way. So that's a very high-level general overview of what is available. There's, of course, other visas, but those are the most common, at least the ones that we see in terms of people applying for a U.S. visa.